We are back here on Carolina Women. We've been having a lot of fun talking to you, Miss Dusty Lanning from Phoenix Builders. A lot of kind of
similarities.
Working with similarities.
Mm-hmm.
Working with women is amazing. Sandy's the owner here of CAV Integrated Homes. So women in business.
Sure. We have a lot in common, as well as our losses and having to pick up pieces and sort of, keep going. Reinvent ourselves,
Yes.
keep going, and what you've done is absolutely incredible.
Let's talk a little bit about Phoenix Building and what you're doing, where you are, and how we contact you.
So I am in Beaufort, near Laurel Bay, 91 Mroz Rd. We also have our Facebook page and website, so it's phoenixbuildersandmaintenance.com.
But you're a family business. This is not just, you're just not a newbie in this business.
No, I started when I was 7. My dad built the first house when I was 7, and he didn't have a crew. The crew was me, my sister, and my brother.
Okay.
And he would say, hey, run up there in those rafters, or get on that roof, or hold this piece of sheetrock.
Before you knew any better.
Right.
But see, that's what got me to love it, though.
Yeah.
I think being involved in it, and being involved in it with my dad,
Definitely.
So it's in my blood. I couldn't let it go. So whenever I lost
what are the divisions that you have now? Because you went back, you got your own general contractor's license.
my own residential builder. And so the
I sense
things we
your
do-
emotion with Dad and your husband. That's what we were just talking about. Sometimes out of loss, beautiful things happen.
The legacy goes on.
the whole Phoenix Rising.
Definitely.
From the
Was that
ashes.
part of
Phoenix
Phoenix
Rising.
Rising from the ashes.
I love a great
Yeah.
name story.
So-
You know it.
So we actually I've changed it a little bit, because whenever I was with my dad and my husband, we were mostly just building, and we would build for ourselves and then put the home in our rental market. So I have rentals. But with Phoenix, I've kind of gone to the maintenance side a little more than my dad ever did, and my husband. So we do a wide range of renovations, remodels.
Okay.
It kind of, if you think about your honey-do list, what you want somebody
That's
to
what I-
do that you don't want to do, we're very big on that stuff.
Do you have a passion area that you really like? Oh, we love renovating baths or new kitchens or outdoor areas.
My passion really is on the new construction side. I love seeing an empty lot go to a home that somebody's going to grow up in or something like that. But we are doing a lot of interior things like plumbing and a little bit of electrical and things like that. But I guess you could say that's kind of turning into a passion as well.
And is Beaufort booming right now? Because we've been told
Booming.
that.
I think so.
It's really growing.
I think
over there
so,
too?
yeah, exactly.
And I think some of if you think about Beaufort, you get a little bit of the older homes in the picture.
Yes, true.
And so people need a lot more attention to those, and need to give a lot more
Sure.
attention to those.
They need some love.
They need love.
So how do you work? If I'm curious, I live in a house that was built in 1958.
Yeah,
so
you could use some reno.
yeah. Allow that. But how does it work? Do you come out and chat with me? How does all that
We
work?
do. So we'll come out and we do free estimates.
Okay.
So we will come out and talk to you about what you need, what you want to get, what your vision is. And then we can go from there about how long it'll take, what's involved,
If cost is no object, this
Oh,
is what I
yes,
want.
for
I
sure.
can't
This is my
live right.
dream.
Right. Well, I love that. If I'm
Oh,
on a
yeah.
budget here, if cost is no object, here's what I want. You guys would probably have fun together.
No.
too.
Yes,
Do you know
exactly.
what they do? Tell me.
I know a little bit about it. I know that you do a lot of like the smart home innovations kind of things.
We do lighting, we do shades, we do the things in the house that, again, need to be done, that people they don't think about during maybe the construction side of it, but as they progress in the house and they've lived there, they go, oh my gosh, I really need shades here, I need a different kind of lighting here, I need a little bit of sound outside, I need a TV for the big Super Bowl game that I'm having everybody over for.
The World Cup.
So we do, and your story is beautiful, and you have really you've done an excellent job with with obviously 5 children and growing a business and what you've been through. So kudos to you.
You know, and it's interesting, one of the fun things we love here on Carolina Women is really featuring these pretty dynamic and amazing women. So thank you for joining us today.